can AI understand ambiguous sentences correctly? Imagine trying to understand a joke or a riddle that has more than one meaning. Sometimes, even humans get confused. Now, think about how a computer or an AI would handle that. It's a tricky question. Language is full of ambiguous sentences. These are sentences that can have more than one interpretation depending on the situation or the words used. For example, the sentence, "She saw the man with the telescope," can mean she used a telescope to see the man, or that the man had a telescope. Humans use clues like tone, previous conversations, or common sense to figure out what's meant. But AI systems don't have that same background knowledge. AI uses something called natural language processing, which is a set of algorithms that analyze human language. It looks at the words around a sentence to guess what it means. It also learns from huge amounts of text to recognize patterns. But even with these tools, AI still struggles with ambiguity. It often only gets a rough idea of what a sentence might mean. For example, if a sentence has a pronoun like it or they, AI might not know what it or they refer to without extra clues. AI can get better at understanding ambiguous sentences by adding more context. For example, if you tell it more about the situation or give it a clearer prompt, it can make a better guess. Knowledge graphs are another tool that help AI understand how words relate to each other. These are databases that connect concepts, so AI can see how different ideas fit together. Even with these improvements, AI still can't fully match human ability. Humans pick up on subtle cues and cultural references that AI often misses. For example, if someone says, "I saw the man with the telescope," humans can usually tell which meaning is intended based on the situation. AI, however, might choose the wrong interpretation because it lacks that real-world understanding. In language learning and translation tools, AI can suggest possible meanings of ambiguous words or phrases. But it's important to remember that AI should not be relied on entirely for understanding complex sentences. It's still a work in progress. Researchers are constantly working to improve AI's ability to handle ambiguity better. So, in simple terms, AI can recognize that a sentence might have multiple meanings. It can analyze context and use learned patterns to make educated guesses. But it does not yet fully understand ambiguity the way humans do. It's like a very smart assistant that sometimes needs a little extra help to get the full picture. That's why, when it comes to tricky language puzzles, human judgment remains essential.